Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add quick reminders on iOS 26. Okay, so we can add them into our control center and into our lock screen. Let's begin with the control center first, so let's open it up. Now hold on an empty space and click on add a control. Now we need to simply scroll down until we find the reminders. Now simply click on new reminder. Now it appeared on our control panel. And now we can quickly add a new reminder. We can create our own list, schedule everything, and that's how we can quickly use the reminder from the control center. Pretty cool thing. Now the second thing is the reminder. It's a possibility to add it into the home screen. So let me do it. Open up your simply hold on your home screen and now click on customize. Let's add a new one. Now scroll, and in here also we can add a new reminder. Simply click on that, click on done, and now we also have a quick access, and we can also quickly create a new reminder. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.